Wet&Forget is the original moss, mould and lichen remover. It's non-caustic, non-acidic and contains no bleach. Wet&Forget has a pH of 8. Tap water is 7, which means it works on any exterior surface around your home. Simply dilute 1 part Wet&Forget with 5 parts water into your garden sprayer. Then you thoroughly saturate the area that you want to treat with the diluted Wet&Forget. It's best applied on a still, dry day. Mother Nature will do the rest, gently removing growth over time. No scrubbing, no time-consuming water blasting, no sweat. The reaction time depends on how badly contaminated the area is. Wet&Forget. Remember, it works, you don't. Wet&Forget is available in 5 and 2 litre bottles with an unlimited shelf life and has been used commercially for over 30 years. The results speak for themselves. Wet&Forget, the original moss, mould and lichen remover.